Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial I am going to teach you how you can fix the lag on your Android phone. Okay, so there are just many simple steps which you can follow to fix the lag on your Android phone. Simply on the first step you can restart your phone, okay, by just holding your power button and power off or selecting the restart. If it doesn't fix your issue, then you can simply go to your settings, okay, and go to your about phone and click on the build number up to 2 or 3 number of times so that the developer options will be unlocked. Okay, so now I will go to the developer options here and scroll to the bottom where you can see the settings related to apps. Okay, here is the option don't keep activities, destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. Okay, by using this option you will not able to use your previous apps, but it will affect the performance of your RAM because your phone is showing the lag because of your RAM usage. Okay, you can also select the background processes limit. Here is the standard limit. I can select at most 3 processes so that my phone will only operate the 3 applications in background. Okay, so now that's the second option for fixing the lag on your Android. Okay, so moving towards the next option, here in my phone it has been showing as app settings. You can go to your apps or whatever location in which on which the system shows all the applications of your Android. Okay, here you can see that I can see the apps which are installed on my Android. I simply want to show all the apps, show system. Okay, so do this process on your own risk and don't delete the serious applications which can affect the working of your Android. Just disable those apps which are not in your use. Okay, as you can see that Yo Party is an app which is not in my use. It is pre-installed in the system, but I am not using it for any purpose, so I can simply disable it here. Okay, so disable all the applications which are pre-installed in your Android and they are not in your use. Okay, so that was it for today. I hope you like this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.